Okay, it's coconut. Or coconuts, whichever one you want to call me. And today, we're here. I'm here with, of course, my best friend, Ross.
Did you get a cent?
And
Are you done?
Yes.
Where is it?
I turned it in
Pigs. Now, today we're going to be working on Pokemon unboxing. From our sons. Yes, we have children. Their names are Eilish, Jack, and Chris. So let's do this. Wait, first, let's take a shout out to our favorite Pokemon, Jinx. And your favorite Pokemon, Jinx. And my favorite Pokemon, Glaceon. And Jinx. Stop it. We're gonna tell. Now, let's work on our new Pokemon. Let's start out Onyx.
I don't see him on the camera.
Neither do I.
Stop moving it, Coconut.
I guess you could say that this is unexpected. Why do you have to make puns? Because puns. Next, we have Honedge. Honedge. He's cute. He is cute. Honedge.
And he's dead.
Now we have Duckett. Ducklet. Cool Ducklet. Next we have Machop. Man, what is he lifting? A boulder?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh wow. Reminds me of a car. Next one. Magnemite.
I probably sound most like him because I'm a robot.
Yes, you are.
73
Yay. Oh, no.
Oh. What? Are you joking?
No.
Is it really that? Are you sure you didn't buy that off of eBay and it's not fake? Hey, Chris.
It's entirely real. It even says 2016 Pokemon.
Next.
Pokemon TM. Trademark. Yeah.
Oh my, this one's a nice one. Next one we have
Panpour.
Oh, he's adorable.
It reminds me of a tree when it gets filled with water.
It reminds me of a monkey. Next we have Morgan.
I think it's kind of legendary.
Frost, don't forget to do say the game turns at the end again. You did forgot that. This is like a. Ooh, it's the trainer. Determination. Well, and you know I'm from Undertale, so. And of course I'm all about the fun.
It's a red bird.
Red bird. I like red birds. Wait, guys, I have to do something amazing.
Oh, look at that.
Excuse me for a second while I scream my head off and watch Adam do a dance. I'm back. Next we have. Ooh, Zoroark.
It's a Nordmark.
It's shiny. Really shiny. Goodbye. Next.
Yeah, Pokemon Ranger.
Ooh, nice.
Dead.
At the end of the video, I have to do something.
It's a Drowsy.
Drowsy. It's adorable.
Clink. Clink.
Next we have
Tangrowth.
Tangrowth is so cute. And
Ponyta.
Ooh.
It reminds me of Flare, your friend or sister or whatever.
She's my sister.
Okay.
Oh, it's an energy.
Special energy.
Wait, guys, I have to do one thing. Let me do my Jinx impression. Jinx. You should have saw her face when she did that. Next, okay, I want to give a shout out to this person that made this really cool art. It's me. It's our friend. They're really nice. So fast. And if you liked it, write in the comments, #MTTLegs. Now today, we are giving shout outs to Crystal, Diana, Reagan, Griffin, Brianna, Allie, Jasmine, Ariana,
Kirsten, and Ishmael.
So let's go ahead and give them face cameras.
You're showing my face.
Oh, this is her body. That's all you're going to get till our 100th episode. We'll show them later. Well, today,
Oh, look, a lead pencil.
have a nice day. See you later. Like,
Wait,
subscribe.
there's one more. Next is coming up the episode. I'm gonna do an MTT voice. Okay, love you guys. Bye.
Shout out to Maxie Nifter. Subscribe and like to his video.